Hi, welcome to Japan House Floral Arrangement Workshop. I'm Takeshi Nakamura, floral designer.
Hello, I'm Yuka. We believe everyone has been staying safe at home for a while now and may be looking for something new. Find relaxation in gathering plants, flowers, and stones. The colors, forms, and scents from nature evoke comfort. Today, we would like to share with you a unique way of decorating with natural materials drawing upon Japanese floral design traditions. The Japanese connection to nature and the reverence for the healing power found within the appreciation of even the simplest of nature's plants and forms. We will be using common greens from houseplants, flowers, and stones easily obtained from personal gardens and neighborhoods. To start off, you can use any bowl you have in your home. For example, a soup bowl. As long as your bowl is deep and stable, it will be perfect for your arrangement. First, get your bowl and fill it up to about 80% with your garden stones. This will be the base for your flower arrangement. You will also be adding water into the bowl. You will begin putting flowers into the bowl using the stones for structural support. We recommend you start with larger flowers. Next, we'll be putting in some hydrangea, following with some roses. This is a special kind of rose called Pink Mondial from Ecuador and is one of the biggest roses in the world. Next, we will be putting in some Alstroemerias. This will add great color and contrast to your arrangement. We will be adding in some Eryngium, following with some Agonist green. Lastly, we will be putting in some Calathea leaves. You can also use rubber bands for better support. And just like that, you have a beautiful and unique floral arrangement that will add brightness and color into your home. For our next arrangement, we will focus on using materials, flowers, and herbs you can find inside and outside of your house. We will begin by using a basic mason jar filled generously with fresh water. We will begin by using a Japanese Aurelia leaf, following with some hydrangea. Next, we will be putting in some scented geranium. And then we will be putting in some fresh rosemary, fresh English lavender. Next, we'll be putting in some Dianthus gypsy. We will also be putting in some succulents. Next, we'll be putting in some dandelion. It adds a nice garden fresh look to your arrangement. Next, we'll be putting in some Agonist green. This concludes the floral arrangement you can keep in your home with the convenience of using materials you already have. We hope you enjoy making these arrangements as we discover the true beauty of flowers, even the ones found around your house.